Hello guys, welcome in my new YouTube video where I'm gonna sell luxury bags and accessories as every Wednesday. So if you're new here, welcome and consider subscribing to this YouTube channel if you like also bags and accessories like luxury items. I'm gonna present you items that are available on my website, bamluxurystore.com. I sell pre-loved since it's been more than 2 years now that I have my own pre-loved website. I work with my partner Vincent, and we are very happy to source for you amazing items. Mostly they come from clients that are mostly in France, and also we source from Japan because it's a beautiful country for pre-loved luxury. It's insane. I wish we could go there. If you have tips to go to Japan, let us know in the comment. I'd be very happy if you have shops name, if you have recommendation in Japan in general. We'd be very happy. This is a trip that we need to plan for next year or the year after. Anyway, let's jump start in this. We have this Chanel. I have the box and I'm very excited because this is a bag that is so rare. Well, the color is actually, and this is a bag that you cannot find anywhere. I also have the dust bag. This is a bag that is almost brand new. I have the entry certificate and voila. This is the Chanel Deauville in turquoise blue. The bag is as new. The only thing is that it has a stain on the bag, but otherwise it's a brand new bag. It's a beautiful blue, very Tiffany blue, amazing. We do have the little pocket inside that is also brand new. This is a very recent one because as you can see, we have a little plate, metallic plate. It's not the hologram sticker anymore since I believe mid-21. So this is actually a very, very good news, and the price is 2,990 euro. I will attach everything here, and down below in description you will find very interesting links. Next, let's go for a very vintage item. This is a toiletry pouch 26 in monogram canva. This is a vintage one. It's beautiful. On the inside you can see some trace of wear. This is not brand new. Every photos and description are on my website, link down below. On the outside you have this lever attached that is detaching, so you need to put you need to put glue again, but otherwise this is very good. Corners are very little bit rubbed. This is very, very little, guys. This is a vintage from the 80s. This is quite insane. Anyway, and the price is 340 euro. Oh my god, next is another Chanel bag. This is a 255. This is one of the first bags that they created. This is a black leather one, and this is the size of a jumbo, I would say. Beautiful one. You can wear on the shoulder or as a crossbody. You have the opening of the bag. Outside is perfect. It's very good condition, honestly, for a second-hand one. I mostly sell second-hand, sometimes vintage, and sometimes brand new, actually, I have to admit. This is a double flap, very good. And the inside, you also have, sorry, I forgot to mention, I had the dust bag for this baby and the entry certificate. On this one, we do not have the hologram anymore. The hologram was detached. We can see the previous shape of the hologram. Inside is very, very good. You have also another pocket there. This is a very good handbag. It's something that is not too much. And the price for this baby is 3,450 euro. This is such a gem. I don't have them quite often, so go get yours. Next on is this beautiful bucket bag from Céline, and this one is a very special one. It's not the macadam that I usually have. Look at this. This one is full leather, and this is a brown leather on the detail part, and here a grained khaki leather. This is what I love about it, and inside is a brown leather. This is beautiful. So the condition of the bag is good, very good. Corners are a little bit rubbed, but this is quite normal on these bags. This is not a brand new one. This is almost a vintage. You can detach, you can pull this here and close the bag properly. The hardware is a little bit tarnished. The leather parts here detail are a little bit, rubbed. And the inside of the bag is so good. This is a dark brown leather with a zipper pocket. Inside is very, very good. You don't have any stain, so this is very nice. And the price for this one, 385 euro for this beautiful bucket bag. I also forgot to mention that you can adjust a little bit the strap to wear it as a crossbody or a little bit shorter. look at this beautiful bag. This is a crossbody bag from Gucci. I will take the strap out of the bag. So you can wear as a pouch or as a crossbody bag with this beautiful chain. I love the detail of it. So this is an Ophidia one, very nice in black suede leather, and you have the fabric part in green and red. Then you have a kind of a patent leather, but not so much. This is like leather, but in black. The suede leather has like little rubbing. It's not brand new, but still in very good condition. The hardware is a little bit tarnished, as usual. Corners are actually in very good condition, nothing to say. You open the bag. I love the opening of the bag. It's so chic, so vintage, but so chic. The inside of the bag is emerald blue canard satin. Inside is used, I would say, like the satin is a little bit used. You can see signs of wear, but this is such a nice little bag that you can carry everywhere. And also we do have an amazing price as usual, 780 euro for this little baby. Let's continue with this beautiful travel bag from Céline. This one is so nice because this is very look-alike as a Keeple travel bag from Louis Vuitton, but this one is from Céline. This is a smaller version here. We do have padlock and key. The condition is good. It was used. As you can see, we see some signs of wear on the leather on the bottom, but it's a bag that you can carry everywhere, put on the floor. This is a very good cabin bag also. Corners are a little bit rubbed, and the inside has stains. You will have, I will add a photo here because, you know, I just fill in the bag with paper, but you have the photos on the website. I will try to clean it a little bit more, but otherwise this is a very good one. And also this makes it so special, the price that is 335 euro. This is so low. This is a very special price, guys, for November, so go get it. Also, I have two things to tell you. The first thing is that in November you will get 3 videos per week, one every Wednesday as per usual. This type of video, luxury bags to buy now. The Friday, it's new video where I will release November, December a video on Friday and on Sunday as per usual. So I add one other video on Fridays. So make sure to subscribe and to be around. Then the other thing that I wanted to mention is that in December, from the 1st of December till the 23rd of December, I do an advent calendar. It's called Dropmas from BLS, from BAM Luxury Store, where we will unbox every single day one item on the website. We will release only one per day, and you will have, of course, every Wednesday the classical backdrop day that we do, but every single day you'll get one item, luxury item, exclusively on the website at 6 p.m. Paris time, 12 p.m. New York City time, and in the morning for East time, like Pacific time. But it's gonna be quite crazy. Also, for those who miss this item, because last year we were sold out instantly every night. It was insane. So if you miss this one, you'll get another chance to get another bag or accessorize on What's Not. This is a live shopping application, and every night also we'll make an advent calendar with auctions starting at $1 1 euro, starting at 7:30 p.m. Paris time. So it will make, I believe, like 1:30 p.m. New York City time. So make sure you subscribe also with our link down below. You have all the information. I will make on the screen the information, screenshots. Make sure you be here, and I'll see you for the Dropmas. Very important. It's gonna be insane. Next that I wanted to show you now, let's go back to the video. So I have this beautiful Noé black epi leather from Louis Vuitton. This is such a classic, and they are relaunching them on the website and in store. This one is a vintage. It was used, but nicely. So the leather is insane. You have some trace of wear. Corners are very good actually for this type of vintage. I have the exact same one, same size in red. I love it. This is my very first luxury handbag, so it's a very special one in my heart. I do have the dust bag just here, guys. Inside you have a zipper pocket, which makes it very easily, which makes it super useful, and you have a stain inside. But otherwise, we have, I would say, a good condition for this vintage, and we have everything for this little bag. This is such an everyday bag, and you can fit a computer inside. I fit mine like with no problem, and price is 680 euros. So this is a very good deal. Then another baby that is just here is a Gucci bag. As you can see, this is a very cute little one in beige fabric and beige leather. This one is a little stained, but otherwise it's in great condition. I think it was never used, but it was not very well storage. So on the fabric on the front, you get like a little stain here, but it's faded, I would say. Here also. Otherwise, the leather is insane. The handles leather has little like useness, but very little. On the back, you also have like 3 little stains here. on the side too. I will try to clean them because I will soon receive a product to clean like fabric on bags. I will let you know how it works, but the bottom of the bag is quite insane too. Very good. And if I open it, I have a very good condition, honestly, inside the bag. I will try to show you a little bit better. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but it's amazingly well conserved inside. This is why I'm telling you, I think it was never used. I think it was just badly like storage. It can happen because inside is perfect. You have a little zipper pocket. And the price for this one is €449, which is so nice. This goes with everything. And next online is this beautiful big wallet from Louis Vuitton in monogram. This goes for men's and women's. This is a perfect one. You can fit a passport, lots of things because it's very large. The monogram on the outside is in very good condition, I have to admit. You have some little trace of wear on the corners. Hardware is a little bit tarnished. The zipper is a little bit more harder on this part when you close it, but nothing that bad. It still works very well, and in case you can put a little bit of wax, like cold wax here to, you know, make it more smooth. Okay, so inside it goes with like this. You can open here. You can fit a passport here or a card or I don't know what, but it's great. Here you can fit a pen. You have lots of space for cards. This is a very great gift. Honestly, this one is so complete. You have a pocket here, zipper pocket with 4 coins that has like little trace of wear, but something very natural and normal. Other space here for cards, and here another part. This one is so huge and so nice. I got one day for you guys and it was sold out instantly. It was insane. Price is €360. This is a very good one. I really advise you to get it because it's such a classic item. Okay, that was it for the video of the day. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, let me know in comments which item do you prefer in this selection, which items you would like to see on the website, which item do you like, you're looking for, you would like to buy. If you know us for more than a year or less, how did you meet us, how did you know us, if it was YouTube, if it was thanks to a friend, thanks to an influencer, thanks to Instagram, TikTok or whatever, let me know in the comments. I'd be very happy to exchange with you. Don't be shy. And yeah, I'll see you very soon. Well, actually this Friday normally for another video. Bisous.